How can I quickly rig this character in Blender to have a T-pose armature that I can use for transferring mocap animations? Of course, I can use the Rigify plugin and other tools, but I just want a quick T-pose armature on this character. One way to do that is with Mixamo. If you navigate to the Mixamo website, log in, and then select Upload Character. In this case, I have an FBX, so I'm going to select a character file, navigate to where your FBX file is. Here I have a purple spacesuit FBX. That will upload your character to Mixamo, and it needs to be processed. Once Mixamo is done processing your character, you may need to align it. In this case, it came in fine, but sometimes it might be turned to the side or up and down. So just make sure you align it, then select Next. You need to grab these markers and put them where your character is. So I'll put the wrists right here. I find it easier to leave it in mirror mode, even if your character is not perfectly symmetrical. And then when you're done, go ahead and make any final adjustments. In this case, the character is mirrored, so I'm going to leave Use Symmetry on. We have a choice of standard skeleton, 3 chain fingers, or 2 chain fingers. This is a very simple mesh, so I'm going to use 2 chain fingers, and you get a preview of what that's going to look like. Then click Next. Now Mixamo will go ahead and target an armature onto your mesh. This is very similar to rigging tools in Blender and Maya, but it is a fast way when you just want to get a quick armature that is matching your mesh and has weight paints automatically added to it. Mixamo offers a preview of our character. It's looking great for no work at all. Now I want to download a T-pose. If I search for pose, I can select T-pose, and then it'll let me download this character as a T-pose. I'll select Download. I want an FBX, and I do want the skin, and then select Download. Back in Blender, if I import the new pose, it will have an armature with it. To import an FBX with an armature, go File, Import, FBX. This is the T-pose FBX, and then I'll import it. As you can see, it's slightly different than our original armature. I'll move it to the right here. And now you can see that we have an armature already rigged up with our character. So this is a really fast way, especially if you already have mocap data and you just want to transfer that mocap data to an armature. These armatures from Mixamo match up with many of the armatures from other mocap technologies. So hopefully you can quickly add a T-pose to your character with Mixamo. Happy character rigging!